Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making space and removing immediate hazards. Disconnect the negative battery to prevent shorts, then drain engine oil and coolant so fluids won't spill when loosening lines. Once done, label every electrical connector and vacuum line. Photos save time reassembling. Remove the hood prop or unbolt the hood if needed to give you full vertical clearance. Make sure the engine is cool to avoid burns, and organize bolts by subassembly so you don't mix gasket sets. Once accessible, remove accessories that attach to the engine: intake, exhaust manifolds, alternator, power steering pump, and a /C compressor. You disconnect or loosen lines and brackets to free the engine envelope. Make sure to support the /C compressor so you don't discharge lines. Next, unfasten motor mounts and the bolts that join engine to transmission. This is where alignment matters, so mark mating faces. Use the engine hoist points and a support bar to carry load. You now lift the engine straight up with a hoist, moving slowly to check for snagged hoses or wiring. Stop and adjust if anything binds. Once clear, set the engine on a stand and inspect mounts, gaskets, and sensors you removed for wear. Replace as needed. When reinstalling, reverse steps. Torque bolts to specification, reconnect harnesses and lines, then reconnect the negative battery last. If the engine won't start or shows codes, check grounds, harness pinouts, and fuel/ignition connections as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.